Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and we are coming in from the New York office. I left Vegas this morning or last night, got to New York. Check this out. Worked in the room all day, put out some decent trades, and now I'm on my way to Chicago. I'll be opening my room from Chicago. So I went from Vegas to New York. I'm going to Chicago tomorrow morning. So I'll see you on the X in my room in Chicago as soon as I land. Barring any plane delays, it shouldn't take too long. We got trades lined up for 12:04:07 Tuesday. If you recall in last night's video, I showed you those charts of the S&P and the NASDAQ, and I said don't fall in love with your longs because I don't think this rally is going to be very long-lived. Well, I still feel that way, and now the Omni feels that way. And the analysis tells me that we're likely going down. Remember, we had in the S&P that shoulder, then the head, then it came down, and now it's making this shoulder, and I illustrated it with the three circles. That's what's going on right now, and I think tomorrow may be one of the down days within this shoulder. In order to capture that, I'm looking to trade the S&P to Emini tomorrow. The SPZ7, wait a minute, James. I don't care where I'm at. I gotta have my Omnis on the board. This is not right. I have Omnis everywhere I go. Omni. We need 2 red Omnis on the board. All right. The S&P for tomorrow. The NASDAQ for tomorrow. All is better now. Now the world makes sense to me. Okay. So for tomorrow, the S&P E-mini, the SPZ7, or the ESZ7 for the E-mini. SPZ7 is the large. This is for Tuesday's trading. Omni says to sell the mid to high 1460s. The S&P right now, that couldn't possibly be right. The mid to high 1470s, excuse me, traders. I said, wait a minute, that couldn't be right. We are selling the mid to high 1470s tomorrow. Right now, currently trading around 1473. Gets up near the high end of the 1470s. I'm kicking out some S&P. We expect the market to get down to the 1450s. That's the 1450s within the next 1 to 2 trading sessions. So by Thursday, we're expecting this S&P first tomorrow to get up into the 1470s. And then by Thursday to get knocked down into the 1450s or be out by Thursday's close. I will keep you informed on that. Traders who are not members of my site at the moment or are not gold class members or gold members, you do not know where to place the stop or the exact levels where we're getting in and getting out. Come to the site if you'd like to know the exact levels. Get yourself a membership. If you are a gold member or higher, go to the site and check out the stops, traders, because you'll need to place stops tomorrow, as I always say, and place your stops first. Go to the site, get your stops. Otherwise, traders who are not part of my site, just watch the videos. Get yourself short in the high 70s. Find a sensible place to put your stop, and don't get hurt and keep your emotions out of it, okay? For you traders who are on my site, the Omni Trading Academy, NASDAQ for tomorrow, the Omni thinks the ENZ7 needs to be sold as we get into the high 2080 area. Trading about 2073 at the moment. If we get into the high 2080s in December NASDAQ, we're looking to sell a few NASDAQs out. Omni's profit objective on this trade is a drop down into the 2050s. Down into the 2050s or MOC. That's 1 to 2 trading sessions just like the S&P. If you get short S&P, we may be holding it overnight. I will keep you informed on that. If we get lucky and get short the NASDAQ and the lords of trading willing, we don't get stopped out. We expect the downside around 2050 to come within 2 days. We will keep you informed on that. As always, be out by the close within 2 days if we don't get our move or unless you do not hear from me. Okay, traders, remember the head and shoulders formation. Keep that in mind because that's what we have going on right now. And NASDAQ looks like it wants to drop a little bit as well. Not much I'm going to do in this video because I'm preparing for markets tonight. I'll be working all night, and then I'm going to get on my flight early in the morning. It's only about an hour and a half flight, so I should be in Chicago like that. Traders, remember, take advantage of this week at my site, www.livewithoscar.com. If you become a gold class member during this week, sign up this week. Next week, you will be invited into my premium room free of charge for 1 week. It is a free trial. And what the hey, it's holidays, right? The holidays, you got to give.
Last chance.
Free trials for anyone who signs up for the gold class membership this week. So go to the site, get yourself a gold class membership, and be ready to be in my room next week starting Sunday evening, Monday morning. All right, traders, remember, keep your emotions out of trading. Always, always, always do your own homework. Always place your stops first. And I'll be seeing you from Chicago in a couple of hours, traders. All right, traders, remember this. Say this to yourselves every day, every morning, every evening, especially when you trade, because you know when you're trading, you're going to need to say this, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.